But
Mm.
when I was thinking about Diana's life, I kept
Mhm.
on thinking of Maya Angelou, how she
Mm.
was almost the conscience of the United States and the world,
Mm.
because she, with the power of her words,
Mm.
kind of touched nerves,
Mm.
and issues that needed to be spoken about. And very often, this is what Diana did.
Mm.
Sy sou geen steen onaangeroer raak nie. As dit 'n issue was, dan het
Mm.
sy die pen gegryp, and she
Mm.
used that because that,
Mm.
amongst other things, it was her gift. Sy
Mm.
kon dit verwoord en vasvang. She could capture it, and
Mm.
it spoke. Kyk, it cut through.
Mm.
And that, to me, is what I miss, not just in our society, but since her passing.